Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and that 90-day $1 million Bitcoin prediction. And the fella who made this prediction is going to further explain himself. We'll talk about a little bit of the comments that he said regarding that statement that is out there. Also, Senator Elizabeth Warren is trying to get a crypto bill passed, but having some trouble finding any friends in the political circle to back it. How significant is this as we're getting ready for a bull run and we're looking for crypto regulation? Let's talk about some of these things that are going on right now, as well as some of the capabilities of folks that are starting to build actual projects on top of Bitcoin. Can this be a massive catalyst to further drive the growth and acceptance of Bitcoin worldwide? Let's get into it in another video, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Overall today, this market cap's doing pretty darn well, sitting at $1.215 trillion. Bitcoin is just about to break above $30,000 today, which is fantastic. I do think we will be above this very, very shortly and continue to move up. Why? Because of a couple things I'm going to run through right now. First of all, look at this beautiful chart. We hit bottom during the FTX collapse back in November of 2022, and now we traded sideways, scooped up out from the bottom, moving up. We call bottom on this channel, by the way. We were trading in this blue trading channel that I had for a while. Bounced off the top of it, hit this green resistance at about $29,200. And I believe, folks, that we should continue a little bit higher, at least to check out this $32,300 price level. We'll have to see how it plays out, guys. But honestly, we got to proceed cautiously, knowing that there's a bull market coming. Really going all in at any point in time isn't a great strategy, but dollar cost averaging as you believe a bull market's coming, that's the one that I believe in. Let me know what your strategy is in the comments down below, but there's certainly a couple things to be bullish on right now. Blockworks reporting Senator Elizabeth Warren and Marshall delay in reintroducing their crypto bill. Why? Well, due to a lack of sponsors. People really don't want to back it. She's been pretty hardcore on crypto, kind of a stronghold against crypto, it seems, talking about only the illegal matters, the pollution, the old ways where it used to be used mainly for dark web transactions back in the early days, all the hacks that have happened, talking about North Korea hacking it to fund their nuclear missile program. All these different things are the ones that she would like to focus on. Well, it turns out the politicians are not backing her. So maybe there's another narrative that's stronger, and maybe that narrative is one that's a little bit more bullish. You know, you've got the $1 million Bitcoin that was put out there in 90 days, $1 million Bitcoin in 90 days. Everybody was talking about it on Twitter. Now, we never believed that on the channel. The fellow that made that comment kind of further explained why he was saying things like this. You know, and here's another quote. Could it be that it takes 900 days or even 90 months? It's possible. I don't have 100% probability on it. But essentially, he explains that, you know, he said this because it was in response to the devaluing of the U.S. dollar. He does believe that the U.S. dollar is going to be worthless. And essentially, and we talked about this yesterday, if the currency that we hold, which is backed by the faith that you and I have in the U.S. government, well, if the U.S. government starts to fail, and what do you mean by fail? Fail on this huge debt clock that we have going on. Right now, there's a huge conversation going on regarding whether we're going to just kind of continue, raise the debt ceiling, or whether we're going to essentially default on our loans, causing a really big economic problem for the U.S. This clock that is constantly ticking up, we are in $31 trillion worth of national debt and climbing every single second. $1 million, I don't know, an hour maybe, I would guess that's what it is, which is absolutely crazy. It's constantly climbing, guys, and the only escape to this, some people would argue, is Bitcoin, and that really starts to make sense. It is deflationary. There's only $21 million Bitcoin in existence, and, well, you can't even use it for anything. Well, actually, you know, you've always been able to. It just hasn't been as fantastic as an ethereum or like a Cronos chain or a Solana or these other projects that are a little bit easier. Well, now Bitcoin actually has a program called Stacks built on top of it, where people are now able to do Bitcoin NFTs and a lot more. They're going to be moving people, developers that want to use Bitcoin, which anybody can build on Bitcoin, are going to start tapping into the Web3 capabilities that Bitcoin really has. And this is another argument for explosive growth. So we've got a lot of great things coming up, guys. You know, on the whole, we got to be on the lookout for big liquidations and volatility surrounding big news. One piece of big news that is coming up soon is, well, not only the Bitcoin halving, which is happening in less than 365 days, but the Fed interest rate hike, which is coming out at the beginning of this month on the 2nd and 3rd. So be on the lookout for Fed Chair Jerome Powell to cause some possible big liquidations. Have seen not a lot of big liquidations in the past couple of days, which makes me go back to this chart. And the fact that right now we're not seeing big liquidations and we're seeing this price move so much right now. Bitcoin on the day right now is up 2.3%, which is actually unbelievable considering we're not seeing a lot of short liquidations right now. Now, if we break above this, I wouldn't be surprised to see some short liquidations. But guys, there's a lot to be excited about. We are getting towards a bull run. My favorite strategy is to dollar cost average and hodl. That's why we say it in every single video, guys. It's not financial advice, though. Been in this market since 2016. Looking forward to yet another bull run and doing it with you guys. We all can hopefully make a lot of money here in this next leg up for cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on this video. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.